welcome to my channel. Yes, I'm here to bring you guys my CVS haul. Now, I was in CVS for a while. I think I was there for like an hour and a half, 2 hours. I always get there before they have sale tags up, so there's some deals and I'm like, okay, what qualifies? Because I hate when they say select. But yeah, so I was there for a while, and then one of my coupons wasn't working, so I had to void everything and then redo it, but it worked out good and everything came out to be for free and I made some money back. So let me share with you guys what I got. So I did the Butterfinger deal. The Butterfingers are on sale for $1.99. We did have a 2 off of 3 coupon that was in our inserts from a couple weeks ago. You guys want to buy 3 of them, you use that coupon. Where did I see it? Where did I write this down? You would pay $3.97 for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta times 3, so that's $1.50 you guys will get back with Ibotta, making it $2.47 or just 82 cents a bag. Awesome, awesome deal. Yeah, I had left the other ones upstairs in our little candy bag, but I had to do that. I'm like, I saw them that they're on sale for $1.99, and I'm like, we have a coupon for it, and there's this Ibotta deal. I'm really trying to push the Ibotta deal. So there's a couple, I got like five different Ibotta deals, I think. So yes, I did the Dove men's body wash. These were $9.59. I was gonna do the Dove women with the Dove women's deodorant, but I did not have that coupon on me, so I didn't want to do it. Otherwise I would have totally done that, but I did this one instead. So yeah, Dove Men, $9.59. I used 2 printable coupons from coupons.com for $2 off. I had a $3 off Dove body wash CRT, and then I had a 3 off of 18 body wash CRT. So you guys would pay $9.18 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate and a $2 rebate with Ibotta, and you guys will get a $5 extra care buck back when you spend over 15. Comes out to be just 18 cents. 9 cents a piece is a great deal. I think the deal that I was originally going to do was the 3 body washes, and I think it was going to come like $1 something a piece, but I'm like, you know what, let's just get these. So my cat's already here trying to chew on the bags. That's what she does best. I ended up getting the Skintimate razors. These were $5.99. I used 2 printables coupons. Otherwise, there are some coupons that we got in our inserts today too. And then I used one $4 off digital. So you guys want to, you would buy 3 of them, pay $5.97, but then you get a $5 extra care buck back, making them just 97 cents. So I did forget to mention, I'm not permanently doing this, I don't know. I have the breakdowns written in a Google Doc. I know a lot of you guys really like it, but there are certain reasons why I don't do it, because most people will not watch this video. They will go straight to the printable breakdowns, and that is pretty much it. So that is, I hardly ever explain it, but that's the reason why I don't do printable breakdowns. But right now I'm just trying to get my video uploaded, not be so stressful for me, and this comes out to be a whole lot easier for that. So I might change it up a little bit in the future, I don't know, but for now that is what I'm doing. I ended up getting the Eucerin lotion. I got 2 of these of the Daily Hydration. These were $11.49, and then I got the Eucerin Eczema, and this was $14.99. I had 2 printable $2 off coupons, and then I had a $2 off digital coupon that I used. Plus I had a 2 off of 10 Aquaphor or Eucerin lotion CRT. So you guys would pay $29.97 for 3 of these. But then you guys will get a $15 extra care buck back when you spend $35 or more. And you guys can submit to Ibotta, so you'll get a $3 and a $3 and a $4 rebate with Ibotta. And Savings Star had this deal where if you spend $30, you get $6 back. Well, after this purchase and my purchase from Walgreens, I will be getting a $6 cash back from Savings Star. So technically, my grand total came to $1.03 Moneymaker. All these for free. Absolutely love it. So got that. And then I did the Tresemme deal, and then she's like, oh, this CRT doesn't work. I never read the CRT. I always just assume it. But it's for like the stylers, and I never got a chance to check if the stylers were on sale. But I'm like, you know what? We're still going to do this deal anyways. So these were 2 for $10. These were 2 for $10. Where did I write this down? I used a $2 off digital coupon. Plus I had, or I thought I was going to use the 3 off of 10, but I didn't. But you guys would end up paying $8 for the both of these. But you will get a $2 extra care buck back when you buy both of these. And you guys can submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta and a $1 rebate with Ibotta. And if you guys submit your receipt to Shopkick, you scan and submit your receipt to Shopkick, you guys will get 1,160 points. And I also got a 10 points just for walking in the door too on Shopkick. I've been really loving Shopkick lately. For a while, they've like really stepped it up. But you will get 1,100, but if you scan both of them while you're at the store, you'll get an extra 60 points. So we're going to say 1,160 points, which is equivalent to $4.64. So this ends up becoming a 64-cent moneymaker. You guys will get these absolutely free after the rebates and stuff, which I think is a pretty good deal. I ended up doing the Skintimate shave. Now these were 2 for $6. I had 2 printable $1 off coupons where you guys can use the inserts, or there's digitals, but I used those two $2 off coupons. I also had a 2 off of 6 CRT for Skintimate that I used. So you would pay just $2 for this, but then you guys will get a $2 extra care buck back, making these absolutely for free. So I was pretty excited to get that deal. And then, let's see, I got these, oh, I'm sorry, honey, are you okay? Are you okay, baby? Are you okay? Yeah, I didn't want to drop it on your head. Okay, I ended up getting the Revlon Total. I haven't used this stuff, but this was on sale for $6.99. I used a $3 extra, or a $3 CRT, and I had a $3 insert coupon that we got from today. You guys would just get this for 99 cents. I usually try to say, I usually get hair dye for only $1 is what I've been putting in my mind. I mean, I like getting, not many people like getting hair dye, so yes. So I ended up doing the Rohoto deal, or no, yeah, I'll just say the Rohoto deal. So these were $8.99 at my store. You guys want to use a 7 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use. It comes out to be just $10.98 for this. But then you guys will get a $6 extra care buck back, making extra care buck, and you guys can submit a $3 rebate and a $3 rebate with Ibotta, making this a $1.02 moneymaker. So if you guys can get $16, $19, $18 worth of stuff for free, I think that's a pretty great deal. And then I was gonna say I did the L'Oreal deal. Now I have way too much Maybelline. I have way too much of that stuff. I really am loving this mascara. This is the mascara I have been using for the last couple months, and I really love it. A lot of you guys say it's the best. So I ended up buying 2 of the mascaras, and I bought 1 lipstick. So the mascara was $11.79, and the lipstick was $8.99. I used 2 $4 CRTs. I had a L'Oreal Paris and a L'Oreal Paris makeup, and then I had 2 $5 L'Oreal lip or face CRT. So right there was 4, 4, 5, and 5. And then I also had a 10 off of 30 CRT that I used too. So all 3 of these became $4.57. When you spend $15, you guys would get $5. So I spent $30, so I got $10 back in an extra care buck. So these come out to be just a $5.43 moneymaker, you guys. Loving it, loving it, loving it. So I'm pretty excited for that. I got 2 more deals for you guys. I ended up doing the All-Made deal. This was $10.49, and this is $10.29. This is the stuff that I've been using, but I'm going to try this out and see how well this does. I used 2 $3 off coupons that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. I also had a $5 CRT that we got from the Red Machine, plus I had a 6 off of 20 CRT for Almay. You would pay $3.78, but every $10 you spend with Almay, you got a $4 extra care buck, so I got $4 back and $4 back, so I got $8 back. Comes out to be a $4.22 moneymaker, so I got the makeup just absolutely free. And then I was gonna do the Advil Dual, and because I saw it in the ad, and I grabbed it. Well, the coupons that we have are for 72 count or more. So I'm like, okay, well, I've been loving the CVS app where I can see what stuff will, you know, it's going to work with this. So the dual CRT that I had worked with this. So this was $10.29. I used that $3 off printable coupon, or there is a digital coupon. I had a 2 off of 10 pain relief CRT, plus that $2 off CRT came off also. You guys would pay just $3.29 for this, but then when you buy one, you get a $2 extra care buck back, making this just $1.29 for 100 of them. $1.79 I think, or $1.29 I think is a great deal. So that was my haul, you guys. A lot of stuff absolutely free, or some money makers. It was awesome. My total came to $29.47. My total was like 166 bucks. Yeah. So that's what I had to pay, is $29.47. So it's okay if I have to pay money out of pocket, you know. I'm totally fine with that. That money actually goes towards, you know, spending at the end of the year or something. But I did use $56 worth of extra care bucks, but I will be receiving $55 back. And I didn't even factor in what I got for beauty, because I obviously got $30 worth of L'Oreal. I got, I don't know if lotion's considered beauty. Let me know if lotion is. But I did get, you know, the Tresemme. I did also get the Almay, the L'Oreal. So I'll probably get $6 back possibly. So $55 back, plus could be another $6. But I did receive $23.50 back with Ibotta, you guys. $23.50. That's awesome, especially for CVS. I think that's awesome. I will be getting $6 back with Savings Star. I'll probably get that on Tuesday. That's how usually it goes. And then with Shopkick, I will be getting $4.64 back for submitting my receipt with that. So my grand total came to a $3.67 moneymaker. Super awesome. I was pretty excited for that. I love it when I can get, like, you know, some decent stuff that I actually really use, especially like the Advil and that mascara I absolutely love. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all next week. See you later. Bye-bye.